Prince William may have retired from the military, but his new job is putting him back in the helicopter cockpit.
Hey guys, I'm TC Newman for Buzz60, and the Duke of Cambridge has got a new job.
Kensington Palace announced that the second in line to the British throne began work as a pilot for the UK charity, the East Anglian Air Ambulance. His military training will come in handy as his new role is not a big departure from his previous duties as a search and rescue pilot for the Royal Air Force. Prince George and Princess Charlotte's dad will juggle his royal duties while working with the Air Ambulance Corps 4 days on and 4 days off. Prince William will work 9.5-hour shifts and be expected to work nights and weekends.
You'd think royalty would at least get Saturdays off.
East Anglian Air Ambulance tweeted their welcome to Prince William, but made it clear that he's not receiving special treatment from their other pilots. The message uses his military rank, but not any of his royal titles, and states that the other staff are welcome just as warmly as he will be. His Royal Highness has announced that he will donate his salary to charity.
Maybe it's time to update our fairy tale prince fantasies. I mean, a helicopter is way faster than a white horse. Buzz60, now you know. Pass it on.